How to manage specific group notifications, Vibrate on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage specific group notifications, Vibrate on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this, select any group you want here and then click on group profile and here you will find custom notifications. Just click on it and then click this one, Vibrate, and here you can manage it. You can make it short or long or anything you want and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.